Here's a 2016 Honda Odyssey. With its utility, stylish comfort, and desire for adventure, the Odyssey is everyone's happy place. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, streaming audio, external memory control, fold-into floor seat, manual telescoping steering column, V6 engine, rear lip spoiler, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.